Got a row of plastic water bottles lined up? That's actually a clever DIY hack, repurposed as a makeshift pressure tank like a mini jet pump accumulator. By trapping air inside the bottles, they act as a buffer to stabilize and boost water pressure from your faucet, giving you a stronger, more consistent flow, especially handy where water pressure runs low. Resourceful and effective. And this is what low water pressure looks like without a pressure tank, just a sad, dribbling stream. Barely enough force to rinse soap off your hand. It's like time itself slows down. You stand there, waiting and waiting while life literally trickles by. Alright, let's turn that trickle into a powerhouse stream. First step, shut off the main valve to stop the water flow. Now you're safe to start building your DIY pressure booster using nothing but empty plastic water bottles. Yep, those recycle bin rejects are about to become your secret weapon for serious faucet force. Let's get to work. Next, attach a PVC pipe to the bottle's neck. Just cut the bottom off the bottle first so it's open-ended. Then, give the joint a solid coat of PVC pipe cement that quick-drying, solvent-type glue. It chemically welds the plastic, creating a tight, leak-proof seal between the bottle and pipe. Pro tip: wipe off excess glue and hold it steady for 30 seconds. Boom. Permanent bond. Once your bottle and pipe assemblies are ready, move on to the main water line. Cut into the PVC supply pipe and install a T-fitting. This gives you a dedicated branch where you can plumb in your bottle array. Now you've got two flow paths, one continuing to your faucet, and the other feeding into your DIY pressure chamber. It's basically tapping into the line to add a little air cushion buffer. Now let's assemble the bottles, your DIY pressure chamber array in series, just like a custom-built jet pump assist system. Start by connecting the first bottle's PVC stub to the branch of the T-fitting using a short pipe segment. Then, link each subsequent bottle in line, bottle pipe using elbow or straight couplings as needed. Once everything's set, slowly open the main shut-off valve and watch closely. As water flows in, the bottles fill partway, compressing the trapped air at the top. That's the key. The pressurized air acts like a spring, storing energy and pushing back against the incoming water. When the bottles reach their sweet spot about 1/3 to 1/2 full of water, rest air, the system pressurizes. Bam, your faucet's now primed and ready. Open the faucet. Whoa! That surge of water that's pressurized flows strong, steady, and seriously satisfying. No more waiting 5 minutes to fill a bucket. Now it's whoosh, and your pail's full in seconds. All thanks to empty water bottles, a little PVC know-how, and physics doing the heavy lifting. Zero fancy gear. Zero big bills. Just smart, scrappy engineering at its finest. Now that you've seen how it's done, go ahead and try it at home. This setup, it's not just for boosting pressure, you can actually repurpose it as a low-cost, high-impact booster for car washing. Think of it as a DIY pressure assist, not true steam, but a surprisingly strong, consistent spray when paired with a nozzle.